Hello guys, this is Nick from nickspictstrading.com. We have a new trading opportunity in Ethereum against the dollar. Got two trades for you on that one. Let me first explain to you the first trade. We're going to use a Fibonacci extension tool to try to profit from, we hope, an upward movement of the price. So as you can see, price is recuperating the fall it made at the end during the months, and we hope to have a break around this level here. That's where we're going to buy stop the currency, and we're going to try to reach this Fibonacci extension level of 100%, so 1. So what is a Fibonacci extension tool? I don't know if you read my post on PayPal and why we closed it on January 12th, but the Fibonacci extension tool is what? In an uptrend, which we are in the Ethereum, the general idea is to take profits at a Fibonacci price extension level. You determine the Fibonacci extension levels by using 3 mouse clicks. So you're going to go from a swing low, which is the case here. We have from here to here, we have a swing low. So this would be the swing low, right? So you first click here using the Fibonacci extension tool on TradingView. You go to the next swing high, which is here, around 1167 and 37. And then you go to, let me use the good term that I use, where the price has stopped declining again, right? Which is around here, 910. So you use that and it shows you levels where it's advised to take some profits off the table. So we're gonna try to reach the 100% extension level of this move. I believe what we are seeing here, the reaction to the upside, is the same. People are seeing what we are seeing, and we should at least reach this resistance here at 1322. So the trade is pretty simple. You're going to buy the breakout of the downtrend line, right? And that will bring you a point of entry at 1090, all right? Hoping to reach 1322, the Fibonacci extension level. That would give us a nice 29%, 0.28 return on investment if we buy it at 1090, with a stop loss placed below the downtrend line here, right? This is the maximum risk we're willing to take. So we would close the position at 974 if it goes haywire. So, sorry for my little baby showing me a little message. But that would be our first trade, right? By the breakout of the downtrend line, we should be able to have some momentum bringing us higher, at least to this level here. This is going to be the first trade. Now let's go on to the second trade, which I have in mind right now, which is this one. I'm expecting a ascending triangle taking place, which would be a very nice bullish configuration. So we'll have to wait and see first. The other trade, the first trade, is more short term, not maybe short term, but it's the one we should trigger the soonest. This one should last. We should buy the position at the end of the month. As you can see, we're going to wait for the pattern to be completed, and we're going to try to buy the breakout here of the ascending triangle. So you can see, as always, on my site, on the education section, you can go on basic chart patterns go on wedges and triangles, and you get a bunch of nice examples on all those chart patterns. And what we are looking for right now is the ascending triangle, of course. And as you can see, this is the pattern here. We could have the same pattern appearing in the next few days for this Ethereum. So we're hoping to buy the break of the horizontal resistance, which is here. As you can see, it has acted as a resistance a bunch of times here, 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 and we expect another one here before being stopped around here and shooting upwards, right? We're not going to buy here because this is not good trading, as the price may fall downwards after reaching this level here. This is too high a risk to buy right here. The simple trade here is to buy the breakout of the resistance here, all right? So to put it simple, as I told you, we have to wait first to have a little resistance here around 1160, 1170, going downwards, sorry, and then shooting up, which will bring us a position opened at 1168, all right, over the resistance here, with a stop loss placed right under short-term support level, around here, giving us a risk-reward ratio of 2.5, which is enough. Between more than 2 is always recommended, right? At least the minimum is 2. The best you want to have is 3. 2.5 is reasonable. Made some good trades with 2.5 return. So a stop placed around 10, 12 below this support here, and a take profit that we managed to place by going from the swing low here to the high of the pattern, which is the horizontal resistance, and you retranscript this error, this height here, and that gives us a pattern target to approximately 1560. So that would give us a nice 33% return on investment for a possible 13% loss if the thing goes haywire. Again, I strongly believe that the price is going to go up. We are in a long-term uptrend. Fundamentals are good. People are still trying to get into the market, buying some cryptocurrency, should it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, etc., etc. So you don't have to forget that a lot of people, at least that I know, are not yet into the market. Should it be retail traders like me and others, other friends, or institutional investors, banks, and so on, who are still cautious and waiting to see how governments regulate the industry before going in, right? So I still think that the demand can tick higher, and I believe it will. So there you go, you have our 2 trade recommendations. I hope you're going to be able to trade them. I'll keep you posted, of course, for whatever position we open. So don't hesitate to look at everything on my website, of course, all the patterns, all the resources that you have in order to trade profitably on the markets. I hope to talk to you very soon, depending on how this goes. I expect to open the first position soon by this breakout, so keep you posted. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions, as always. And God bless you. God bless Switzerland. God bless the United States of America. God bless the world. Thank you.